tell him the situation here.
Situation here. There's an attack bird the size of an elephant in this house, bro.
Size
Okay?
of an elephant, dude.
We gotta try to figure out a way to catch this spicy one.
I called you in.
Called me in. I am the bird specialist retrievalist. Yeah.
Yo.
And I'm gonna figure out a way how to get and retrieve and remove the product. Okay?
Where is
Now, listen.
Dude, birds
You cannot disturb the
This
bird
is-
in its home.
I told you there's a fucking
Listen,
bird.
we cannot disturb the bird in his home, okay? Once he's in his home, he's in an environment, he can get very dangerous. Okay? Listen.
Fucking son, guy.
Listen.
He's not even here.
He can get very dangerous. So,
Dude, you
brought in
suck.
some products.
You suck, guy.
And I'm gonna show you how to catch a bird, man versus wild way. Ready to get on with this bird.
I'm happy scared of it. Dude, I think it's downstairs. I'm fucking. How do you get up here? Is that window open? I think the door is downstairs. Is it the window or the door? The basement open? Hey, is the basement open? Let's about 3 or 4 stuff. Nah, dude, if that was closed. Was open? Let's go.
This bird is very dangerous and very shaking right now. Look, he made a mess. Smart one.
Hey, seriously? Was that door open?
I swear it was open.
How much?
It was open. It was a big enough bird.
Did you shut my door upstairs?
I don't think so.
Chad, I'm telling you, why you think it was bird shit?
He's there.
He's here!
I told you.
Where is he?
The big one.
Seriously, he's here?
Yeah.
Where is he? Chad, shut my door upstairs. Oh, look at him, kid, I told you it's a bird! I told you. How you gonna... What kind of bird is this?
It looks like a sparrow.
Sorry, those things are dangerous.
Halt. I say stop.
Catch it! Go to it! Oh, shit, where'd it go? No, fuck, nigga! Fuck that! Catch him, seriously!
You can't disturb him.
Chad, shut! Don't let him out! Wait, chill. You fucking... You're not a bird catcher!
He's going upstairs.
He's going to my house because of you, you freaking idiot! Capture it, dude!
He's going up.
Dude, seriously, go! Shut my door!
Oh, he's in.
He's in my house? Shut my door! Just shut my door first! Oh, grab it! Dude, I'm playing.